Want to keep your website running 24/7 with real-time tracking, instant alerts, and performance insights? With FlyWP's Uptime Monitor add-on, you can monitor downtime, track response times, and ensure peak website performance. Let's get started. Before we enable Uptime monitoring, you'll need to subscribe to the add-on. Here's how. First, log in to your FlyWP dashboard. Go to the Billing section, click on Add-ons and find Uptime Monitor. Click Add Card and follow the on-screen steps to confirm your subscription. Once subscribed, you're ready to start monitoring. Let's set up Uptime monitoring for your site. Navigate to your server, then select your site. Click on Uptime monitoring from the site dashboard. Click Add Monitoring to create a new monitoring instance and choose your check interval. It will be 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. Click Save and FlyWP will start monitoring your website immediately. From the Settings tab, you can customize your monitoring preferences and set your preferred check interval to receive updates as often as you need. Now monitoring is active, you can track your website's uptime and performance anytime. Here you'll find detailed uptime reports, response time graphs, and incident logs as well. This helps you understand performance trends and stay ahead of any potential issues. If you run into any issues, check your server status and DNS settings. Ensure uptime monitoring is properly configured, and if needed, contact FlyWP support for assistance. Also, check out the FlyWP documentation for more details. Make sure your website stays online and performs at its best. Activate Uptime monitoring today and enjoy peace of mind.